Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya and I hope you and your family are doing great. Today I'm gonna show you my Meesho bag haul and please पीछे का mess को ignore करो, मैं थक गई हूँ. हर दिन ये सामान पड़ा ही रहता है because I have to make one more video. तो अभी पहले से बहुत बेहतर है. बट आई वॉज लाइक नहीं अभी अब आई एम लाइक सुपर टायर्ड. हर दिन मैं वीडियोस बना रही हूँ, ये मैं आराम से इसको सेट करूँगी. बट दिस I would be needing in the middle of the video maybe. I have around 8 bags from Meesho and all under 299. Office going bags or party wear bags or casual wear bags. There are like variety of bags, so it's going to be amazing, interesting because these are like super affordable and I see we all like super affordable stuff. So without wasting any time, let me quickly start with the video. And this the number of packages I have. Okay, let me just show you the first bag और मैं आपको side by side price भी बताऊंगी इन सब bags के so that it's easier for you. और price 10 rupees 20 rupees ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है because मैंने चेक किया है कुछ चीज़ें 10 रुपये 20 रुपये सस्ती हुई पड़ी हैं और कुछ चीज़ें 10 रुपये महंगी हुई पड़ी बिकॉज इट्स बिन ऑलमोस्ट 1 वीक मैंने खरीदे हुए हैं और अब जाके मैं ओपन कर रही हूँ. So don't mind that. This is the first bag. Guys, I'm quite impressed with the packaging. You see, जिन bags पे ये होता है ना this sheet और ऊपर से look at the quality of the bag. Start तो अच्छी हुई है I think. I'm really happy. Brand new वाली खुशबू आ रही है and look at this. I mean how gorgeous. It's a very pretty tote bag and it's like perfect for office. Look at this. It has 3 zips. That's a rare. 3 zips हैं इसमें. Whoa. I did not expect this. मैंने सोचा था एक ही zip होगा and then easily सामान आ जाएगा. मैं एक में खुश थी and it has 3 zips. तो चलिए let's open the first zip. Quite spacious यार. Like I am super impressed. This one is the bigger pocket and इसमें laptop भी आ सकता है guys. Like और क्या चाहिए और क्या चाहिए औरत को और क्या चाहिए. And this is the third zip. Again lot of space. Basically middle वाला zip सबसे ज़्यादा spacious है. Guys, I think I am in love with this bag because the quality is so premium. This bag is only for rupees 287. 287 में you are getting this beautiful bag. And you know what, black color goes with everything, with every outfit and the outfit I'm wearing इसके साथ भी black अच्छा लगेगा. Basically this is how it's gonna look जब आप इसको अपने ऑफिस में डाल कर जाओगे और wherever you want to carry it. Like look at this. Let's open the second package. ये वाला packet कल आया, बाकी सारे आ चुके थे. So let's open this one and see. और मैंने बहुत सारे ब्लैक कलर के बैग्स मंगवाए हैं बिकॉज ब्लैक इज लाइक एन एवरग्रीन कलर. सो हर किसी आउटफिट के साथ ब्लैक जाता है. सो आई वांटेड अ वैरायटी ऑफ ब्लैक बैग्स क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने सारे ब्लैक बैग्स नहीं हैं. सो आई वांटेड टू बाय ब्लैक बैग्स एंड यू गाइज आर नॉट रेडी फॉर दिस. लाइक दिस वन, लाइक इसने पहले वाले को भी मात दे दी. एंड look at this, it's a beautiful sling bag और इसका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. like the material used, it's actually very soft and nice और बहुत प्रीमियम लुक दे रहा है. like wow is the word for this bag. like I love the quality, I love the pattern and it's so trendy and stylish. and the icing on the cake is it has not three pockets, it has 4 pockets. This is the first one, second, and this one is third, and we have the 4th pocket at the back. अगेन इसका जो पैटर्न है उस हिसाब से जो मिडिल वाला पॉकेट है उसमें देयर इज मोर स्पेस. आई मीन फॉर मी इट्स लाइक अ परफेक्ट एवरीडे वेयर बैग. लाइक एवरीडे आई वेयर टी-शर्ट्स एंड अगर कहीं पास में जाना है जस्ट carry it along and it's going to look so nice. This one is for only rupees 281. This is how it looks. You can wear it as a sling bag, as a shoulder bag, whichever way you like. Now coming to the third package. Let's see. I guess मैंने एक और black color मंगवाया but let's see which color is this one. Oh, it has 2 bags. So let's open this one. Again, इसका packaging भी बहुत अच्छे से है and tan-tan-tan, one more tote bag and this one is quite different and pretty. I really like this white and brown combination with a hint of gold. This is the front and this is the back. This is how it looks from the top. It has 1 zip. Let's open it. Oh, nice. You can wear it as a sling bag also. It has this belt and this one also is super spacious. It's a multi-purpose bag. You can use it as a handbag, as a shoulder bag, as well as a sling bag, whichever way you like. And this one is for only rupees 299. Please have a look. This is how it's going to look when you wear it. Coming to the fourth bag, again black color. Got so many black color bag, but it's सारे बहुत अच्छे हैं. I mean, oh my god, seriously. और मैंने कितने सारे black bags मंगवाए हैं, but एक से अच्छा दूसरा, दूसरे से अच्छा तीसरा. I mean, just look at this. It is so simple and elegant. Perfect for everyday wear or even office. I mean, the quality is so nice. It is super simple, but बहुत अच्छा है. Like it has 2 pockets in the front. You can keep your pens, and this is how you open it. It has this magnetic button. Guys, I think even this one is perfect for office. You can keep a water bottle, your iPad, and there's like so much space. This one is for only rupees 287, and this is how it's going to look when you wear it. Now let's open the 5th package. It's a different color. Wow, this one is unexpectedly nice. मैंने कभी भी ऐसे कलर का बैग नहीं लिया है, and this is the first time I ordered a very different color bag, like light brownish beige. I really don't like this. It's like not going with the bag. But as you know, I have so many bag charms, so I'm gonna use mine. तो ये तो मैं उतार दूंगी. I really don't like it. But look at the bag. मेरे को ऐसे कलर्स का इतना क्रेज नहीं है ऑनेस्टली. मुझे ज़्यादातर ब्लैक बैग्स का है, वो आपको पता चल गया होगा. But for a change, it's nice, and considering the price, it's really nice. Maybe I'll give it to my mom, she'll like it. Like, this is a nice tote bag, and this also has a golden metal, and it has one zip. Let's open this. Again, super spacious. I guess इसमें सारे के सारे bags बहुत ही spacious है, so that's the best thing. This bag you can carry it in 2 ways. One is handbag, and the other one is shoulder bag. I got it for only rupees 208, and this is how it's going to look once you wear it. Now let's open the 6th package. Excitement नहीं रुकनी चाहिए क्योंकि एक और black bag आ गया है. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? My mom will call me crazy for ordering so many black color bags. I'm obsessed with black. Here we have one more sling bag. I know it's a sling bag, and this is how it's look. Very simple and elegant. This is how you open it. 2 magnet buttons. I like how you open it and then you have a zip. Like, that's a safe thing. Open it. Oh, nice. You have this much space, not bad for a sling bag. This is the best part. You have this small cute purse where you can keep your coins or, you know, something important, or maybe a small lip gloss or lipstick. Like, how cool is this? And I got this one for 281 rupees. 281 rupees का है ये bag, and this is how it's gonna look when I wear it. Super comfy and casual vibes. I guess ये gym जाने के लिए perfect bag है. Alright, now let's open the 7th package. Thank God it's not black in color. और मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. This one is a cream color sling bag, and I really like this brown border. इससे एक definition आ रही है, and I really like that. और पीछे एक zip भी है. I really like this gold detailing over here. One zip. Let's open this. Oh yeah, of course, the sling bag. So, oh, इसमें एक और चीज़ है. Oh, it has one zip inside also. That's so cool. और एक अंदर है, and one this bigger pocket. Like, super cool, yeah. And this is the bell. I got for only rupees 229. And now please have a look. This is how it's gonna look when you wear it. Now last but not the least, let's open this bigger package. I'm excited to open this one. कि इतना बड़ा बैग कौन सा जो मैंने मंगवाया है. ऐसे पिक्चर्स को देखकर आपको इतना ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं लग सकता है कि उस बैग का कितना साइज होगा. So, you know, that's why I'm here for you guys. और इसका पैकेजिंग भी अच्छे से हुआ पड़ा है. I really like it. I really appreciate Meesho's packaging skills. शुरुआत में मीशो की पैकेजिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है, बट अब बहुत अच्छी होने लग गई है. नाइस. वाओ, वाओ, look at this. It's a very nice brown color tote bag. Again, इसका look बहुत formal है, तो I think perfect for office. So you have so many options for, you know, office bags. This is the handle. I really like this, that the handle has this belt pattern. Wow, nice. This is again super spacious. Tote bags are spacious. I really love tote bags. And it has one more pocket, and you can see ये वाला pocket भी बहुत spacious है. Like super duper cool. I am really impressed. This one is for only rupees 293. This is how it's gonna look when you wear it. That's it with this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. And links I'll mention in the description box, or I'll just pin it in the comments, so please do check. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notification for my future videos. Please do not forget to subscribe. That will give me motivation and push to make more such videos for you all. And stay connected, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Love you all.